The black enslaved mind. One of the biggest damages caused by colonialism was to mentally enslave the black person. The project of mental slavery was well executed. Black people today view each other as fellow slaves and see the white person as superior and the only one capable to lead. Therefore, black people must submit to the white master. The project was systematically inculcated in black people's minds that whatever the number rise to lead, they must never gain the loyalty and support from their fellow black people. Hence, the current status is that whenever a white person and a black people individually but simultaneously establish an enterprise, black people will automatically gravitate towards supporting the white person's enterprise. However, if a black person does the same thing and open an enterprise, we, inverted commas, black people, are reluctant to support that enterprise. Instead, we will want to compete with that black person, because the mindset of a black person says, if that slave did it, so can I. We have witnessed this kind of attitude in our communities, in townships, where the black person cannot tolerate to see another person prosper. For instance, one neighbor would embark on a project to remodel their home, and because of a poor mind, the other neighbor will also want to remodel their home. Not because it is necessary to do so, but because they cannot stand to see another black person succeed. Because of this mentality, many black leaders across different fields do not succeed with their mission of liberating black people because of the tempered mentality. Mtaka baba, Ingulo akakho umuntu ongafuna Ingulo. Bangenza example, akakho umuntu ongama ngaphandle athi cancer ngene emzimbeni wami. Akho umuntu ongama ngaphandle athi sugar diabetes ngene emzimbeni wami. Akho umuntu ongama ngaphandle athi HIV ngene emzimbeni wami. Makuthiwa ungenwe idlozi and idlozi elikungenile lifuna uthwasa, akusiyisifiso sakho. Yikho lokho kuthiwa Ingulo. Ulalele ingoma uma idlozi liphakama lihlabele ingoma zosizi, ngoba inhlungu lento. When you have cancer, ulele esibhedlele ugundiwe, especially abantu besifazane, ulwa for ubomi bakho ugundiwe, unganazo izinwele, ugundiwe i-cancer, usurvivor, ulwa for i-survival yakho, inhlungu leyo. Akho mntu so mama uma ukhathwa ibele for i-cancer, ungasenalo ibele ukhathwe ibele, inhlungu leyo. Those are memories that if you beat that cancer, usurvive, elabele will be a memory of into ondlule kuyo. Ngeke uphinde uyikhohle. And if umuntu angakubuza ukuthi would you go back and have cancer, ungamtshela ukuthi I'll never. Ubizo Ingulo. Kunabantu namhlanje umuntu asuka ahamba ayongena ephehlweni. Mina ngilazi iphehlo suku uhambe uyongena ephehlweni, angilazi. Actually ngiyalazi ilela namhlanje. Umuntu asuka umuntu ahambe aye ephehlweni. Uyanjani engulweni? Uyanjani ki cancer? Na i-cancer imile lapha elokozana lapho ewashi. Usuke wena uthi uya kuphi? Hayi ngisaya ki cancer. Ufunani ki cancer? Hayi ngiyayifuna la cancer. Ngiyayifuna. Ayikho Ingulo njalo. Yikho Ingulo enjalo. Kizazi into zengulo ngoba umprofeti ngumuntu overall. You see, uCredo Muta confused many. But umprofeti bathu isangoma, he confused because a prophet enhances izinto akwazi uguide isizwe.